So, Joanna, some reprieve in crypto prices yesterday just thanks to that CPI report. But in terms of this question of contagion, beyond FTX into the wider crypto space, are we getting any signs of that?
Hey, Danny, we're definitely getting signs of that. BlockFi, which was already a lender in trouble, said that they would need to freeze withdrawals because they just don't know, they just don't have clarity because of the FTX situation. And we are starting to see other places kind of saying, okay, what's next? You know, the SEC, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, is now apparently investigating Bankman-Fried. We have the Bahamas freezing some assets of FTX also. So we're starting to get the regulators doing their thing as well. And we are starting to see just the contagion a little bit within the crypto space. And that is keeping everyone pretty nervous.
And of course, Joanna, we don't have any substance yet about whether this was to do with client funds or whether it was to do with the transfer of funds between the various parts. But what's this going to mean for regulation?
Well, Manis, I think it's going to mean that regulators are going to be a lot more interested. We already have legislators, regulators coming out and saying we need to be looking at this harder. We need to be looking at these zones where crypto firms are operating outside the bounds of regulation because they've been in this international context with a new asset class. They have been able to operate outside of the traditional structures of regulation. And I think regulators are going to be looking a lot more at what they can do to bring some of those firms into the regulated space at this point.